You're watching Last Minute Living. Welcome to season 2024.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Welcome, it's another episode of Last Minute Living. As you can see, we are at the beach. We're at the beautiful Preston beach down past Mandurah. You guys asked for it, more fishing, so here we are. It's a nice morning, easterly, still about lunchtime. So if you're tuning in, it is 2024. Unfortunately not for me, it's not. We're not quite yet, but filming this one a little bit earlier, so Happy New Year, guys. Picked up my auntie and my two cousins in Mandurah on the way down. It's been a bit of a trek, but we're here. Spectacular conditions. Check this out, guys. Go on, big sauce. Want fish on, mate? Fish on. There is none. Alright, so new year, new fishing rod. So, no bites, Dad?
Yeah. Taking my bike, I just can't get them.
My new Shimano, what is it, a Makuro, I think?
Yeah, probably.
Brand newy. New reel, Shimano 2500 HD. With, I think I've got 15-pound braid on it. To rock. Throw this on. Sinker. That should stay on. Theoretically, right?
It should. But, as I just found out,
Yeah, as Dad just found out,
it doesn't.
it doesn't stay on. Well, your line snapped, so that's a different story.
Could have been a shark, I don't know.
Hope not. Planning to go for a swim later.
Problem, you got fingers like me, it's hard when you got big fat sausage roll fingers. Can't tie knots.
Braid. The worst to tie knots on anyway. What are you doing? Yeah, you're on the braid, that's
Yeah.
why.
Oh, that's my friend told me to get braid.
Yeah.
Any
It wasn't James, was it?
No,
Oh, Dion. Oh no.
Yeah, braid, brother, braid. Yeah.
Get the braid, he reckons.
Fucking braid. Get rid of your braid.
Definitely a pain to tie knots, but we'll persist
It's right here, mate. Relax.
until the wind takes it. Oh, finally got it. It's time to go home now. I thought we could do this one too, Dad.
Yeah, it's just this, that.
I've played around with it on the loop header too.
Like me?
All right.
On another tablet.
Sabaki rig is what James tells me. I'm gonna pretend like I know all my fishing terms, but time to find out. Let's get some bait on. We have ox heart, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's all we got.
Ox heart. Unfortunately, there was no prawns, no squid, no fuel.
Yeah.
They didn't really have anything at that store there. But hey, we're here, we're doing it. So,
Oh, I just caught myself.
Dad's caught himself with that not with that knife, I hope.
No.
All right, so also bought myself a new tackle bag. Just a backpack one, so I can carry it easily, and some protection for my rod. With that being said, let's get some bait on, get out into that beautiful water. Beautiful day on the water. See how we go. First on the board, a little blowy. He's off. We're on a whiting, were you reckon? Oh well, back in the water. Let's go Heath, you gotta beat your brother, mate. Pressure's on. Pressure's on. And I'm late to the game, so better catch up. Oh, that water is beautiful too. Yep, we're on. What is it going to be? Ah, oh. Tell you what, they're cheeky little bastards. Cheeky little buggers. Still have a little bit of bait on, so I might just throw it back in. Hope for the best. Still bait, so I dare say, yeah, they're definitely biting. Probably gonna have no bait now. Oh, it's still on. Old chopper hooning around. Right, let's see. Oh, there goes me bait. Yeah, it wasn't on very hard then. So we got ox heart on here. That's probably going to fall off very shortly. Let's put some on my other hook. Now, as I was alerted to by Salty, I only allowed 2 hooks on a line, despite the fact that they sell them in sets of 3 and 5. So, yeah. Not a lot of smarts about it, but it is what it is, I guess. I'll definitely be going for a swim later before I leave for sure. Yep. I think it's blowy. Actually up. Oh, geez, this feels like half decent blowy. Let's see what we got. Oh, I can see it. It's coming in. Looks like a big blowy. Or a double header. Double header of blowies. Lovely. Oh, if that doesn't sum up your day, I don't know what will. Yeah, just my luck. I thought this has got a bit of weight to it. No, it's just 2 blowies. Let's see if I can get them out. What do we got, Dad? Nothing, gone off the bite, all of them. Probably told their mates.
I saw some hippies down there, around there.
Oh yeah?
Them on out. Well, I thought I saw them, but as I was starting to come down, the waves came. So
Yeah, right. Oh, looks like we've got someone bogged. Like I said, they want a hand. Yeah. You guys all good?
We're locals, we live here.
Oh no!
It's just this part here.
It's soft, yeah.
I know, and our granddaughter, she was in the white ute, we were saying, go Morgan, go.
Yeah,
She
you
got
just,
through.
yeah.
But Miles is letting the tide down. So I think it's where people's got bogged and then
Yeah.
it makes it.
Turns
I've
it
never
all up,
seen
eh?
so many people out here.
Yeah.
Where are you people from? Which is your car? The one
Oh, the Triton there, yeah.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, too, she was in a Triton too.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
They're pretty good though.
Yeah.
Even the Pajeros, yeah.
But she's decked all hers out. She went and worked on the wheat bin, so she's got the camper and everything
Oh, yeah.
on the top because she loves the fishing.
Yeah, I've got I just run a little YouTube channel, so
Oh,
just
yeah.
bit of fishing. So I
Yeah.
got dad's down there.
Oh, yeah.
That's my cousin. That
Oh, yeah.
my cousin and my auntie and my other cousin on there.
What's your number plate? Where's that?
Dill pickle.
Oh.
Yeah, because my name's Dylan, so dill pickle.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
it started as dill, and then people were like dill pickle. So, but yeah, so we're just filming a bit of.
Well, we're miles a minute anyhow.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
All right, so a little more eventful. We had a local couple get bogged, so I lent them a hand. I just tyres were a little bit inflated and just got bogged in a little hole, but so I'm a little bit tired from that. So I'm gonna go have a little dip in this water because it is amazing. Check this out, so good. So I'm gonna jump in. Not really catching much else other than blowies, but it is what it is. We got out of the house, and that's what last minute living's all about.
Cause every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it, I wonder who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What you feel like never having no real life. I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain. I'm just minding my business, but you're so in your feels. There's something wrong with your brain. Cause every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah. Your life must be so boring, boring out of your mind.
Put him back in the water. Oh well, I think I'm gonna pack it up. This beach is pretty soft, so by the time we actually get out of here, air up, drop my auntie and cousins home, we will be sending it home. Fortunately, low luck, but last minute living. We're going to be bringing a lot more of this. Use us for fishing, so here we are. We're giving it a crack. Jump in, give it a crack yourselves. Probably going to enjoy this for maybe another half hour or so, and look at going home. So thanks for tuning in. It's another episode. Happy New Year, guys. Hopefully it was a good Christmas break. Back from a hiatus. Just having a little bit of time, well-earned break. But until then, we'll see you on the next video. We'll get that going. Don't know what we're going to do, but we'll wait for our next adventure. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys. Alright, Pete, Max Trucks again. I'm going to go see, there's another couple that are bogged. So let's go have a look, see. She's soft, eh?
Yeah.
I'm worried about getting out.
One of mine, hey?
Hey?
Went under. She's under.
Hopefully it's alright.
How many of you's got? Two?
Yeah.
So just in the back, or?
Yeah, we had one on each side. That one's cool.
Yeah, might have to dig a little bit to get them in.
Yeah, there's that shovel.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I usually have my shovel, but not today.
It's easier just to use the trap.
Yeah, that's it. You might not be able to reverse up with that there. Because yeah, believe it or not, I'm not much of a pro either, but this is the second recovery I've done today. So
Yeah, no, I saw them there. I was like, fuck.
hang on, give us 2 secs. I'll push from the back. It should go.
Traction control. Every time we start the car, you have to press the bloody button.
Oh yeah. I'll just give you a little push, and once you're on the tracks, you should go.
You get in and go, and we'll push.
Shouldn't need much. We'll just need a little nudge just to get over the. Now, hold up. No dramas, bro. Ooh. I was gonna say, do we keep them handy?
I'm not sure, man.
Alright, start packing up. Ooh. See if they get out, I suppose. Alright, so super eventful, no fish unfortunately, but just as we were about to leave we had another recovery. Unfortunately that's a Triton and a Pajero that have gone down to Preston Beach Sands, so I've got my fingers crossed that I'm getting out of here. A good point one of their mates did mention is check your tyre pressures again before you set off. It's really hot today, it's about 32, 33, so when I let my tyres down at the start of the morning when it was cooler, your tyre pressure will change, so just make sure you're on top of that, because you might think you're at 15 but you're actually at 20, so that can make a hell of a lot of difference. So I've redone all my tyres, gonna get back in the car, I've got it running, got the aircon going. Max Tracks was super handy, so Pete, get yourself some Max Tracks and put them on your roof, mate. Yeah, stunning day out here, Preston. Look, it's just flattened off even more than what it was in the first place. There's quite a few people down here. So awesome day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Another episode. Fingers crossed I'm getting out of here without getting bogged. It's pretty soft, but just got to trust the process and do all our bits and pieces. So like I said, I've redone my tyres, getting all that ready. Max Tracks are ready to go, so if we need to jump in, we'll get everyone, we'll start digging, whatever. One of the main things I realised from what the people were doing wrong, as soon as they lost traction they kept going, so that just bogs you down even further. So what you want to do, as soon as you feel you're losing traction, stop, reassess, get your Max Tracks. You're better off doing it early than doing it later. So that last one was quite deep down, so definitely get that sorted, guys. But if not, thanks for tuning in. Stubby holders are going live, so if you do see this, get yourself a stubby holder. Let us know through the Instagrams and socials. we're selling them. We're doing a deal with the shirts. So if you buy yourself a shirt, you will get a free stubby holder plus a sticker. So jump on that, let us know. We'll try and get it out to you as soon as possible, guys. Anyway, I'm going to try and get out of here. So if this is the last time I see you, I did a good job. Catch you later, guys.